UserCrowd can pay you up to $2 per task for just giving out your feedback. Let me show you. I created this account last month, and you can see that they usually notify you that there is a task that is available for you, and you can see that it should take about a minute to complete and will earn you 4 cents per that task. So it's super easy, and if you are very active and you are participating in this test that they will give you, they will offer more tests for you, and some will pay you up to $2, and if you're screened out, you'll earn an additional 2 cents on top of that. Okay, and you can see some other task will offer you 8 cents, and you can see that it's a good thing. But if you leave your account to be dormant, they will not approve your account. You can see that unfortunately your practice test did not meet our response quality standards, so your account has not been approved and it's not eligible for real test. So that's when you don't do the test, or you leave your account dormant without doing any available test that they will give you. So you make sure to be active, and you have your email on your phone, so that whenever they send you a task, you do it right away. And you can see that you earn money giving your feedback, participate in quick surveys and test or interviews, give feedback on design, test protocols, and more, help shape the world's best brands. So you can see that they have partnered with all these brands. And how it works: step number 1, you apply and create an account and complete a short survey so they can match you with the right test or interviews. I'll show you throughout the video. And you can see step number 2, you take part. They use real-time notification to inform you when tests or interviews are available. It's quick and easy to take part. And then the last step, step number 3, you get paid. So you'll be paid for every test, response, or interview you complete. Once you've accumulated at least $10, you can request a payout via PayPal. So you need to have a PayPal account, and I've already shown you how to create a PayPal on the previous video. So it's super easy. I'll take you through the entire process. It's fast and easy to take part. Earn money in your own spare time, help shape leading brands, no experience needed. But some of these websites, they will require you to have a proxy. But if you're from the US, don't worry, you can just ignore this. But if you're not from the US, you can go and purchase a proxy. Just head over to proxy seller, click link on bio on the description below, and go directly to residential proxy. I recommend you get this residential proxy, because once you get them, you can rotate the IP, right? So it's the best I can recommend for you. And once you get the proxy, you can start with as small as 1 GB, which costs you $3. And once you connect your proxy, just let's get started. Before we continue, head over to victoronlinejobs.com. That's our official website, and you can see that we do offer a paid class and a free class, also the groups. So my name is Victor, and let's start. Step number 1, go to Google and search UserCrowd. Step number 2, click on the very first link. Step number 3, click on apply now. Step number 4, you are required to input your full name, preferred name, then the country. If you are using a proxy, let's say it's for UK or US, just input the US, and then input your email and password. And then you have to accept UserCrowd's privacy policy and terms and conditions. Then just do the reCAPTCHA. After that, once you complete, click on apply, and then let's move to the next step. Once you're done with that, they will send you your invitation email. So you have to go and check on our email address, and then click on the link and accept our invitation. On your Gmail account, you can see that your invitation will look like this. You are in. Welcome to UserCrowd. Your application for UserCrowd has been approved. To get started, please accept your invitation. So for me, I haven't logged in this email address on the proxy. So what I have to do is just right click, copy link address. After doing that, so you have to check all this. Please read and agree to the rules. I will give my best effort on every test. Check on that. I'll provide accurate information on my profile. Check on that. I won't create another UserCrowd tester account. Just check on that. And then I won't download, copy or share any content from test. Then check on that and click continue. And here is your profile. So where do you live? You have to enter the address, and then which language do you speak? Just of course English. You can add other languages, it depends. And then year of birth, what's your gender, male, and then what's your level of education. You have to put let me see, you can either use college graduate or postgraduate degree. And then what is your employment status? You can say part-time, or you can use full-time, it depends with you. And then what is your annual household income? So you don't have to go higher and you don't have to go lower, so be at the middle. So just choose 40 to 70k a year. And then what is your technical proficiency? You can say advanced. And then how many hours do you spend online each day? So remember, this is a survey account, right? So they need people who are active on the internet. Okay, so you just have to say how many hours do you spend online each day? You can say over 6 hours. And then, so let me fill out the year of birth and then the address, and we move to the next step. Then on the next step, you have to enter your phone number. So remember, we will use TextVerified. Head over to textverified.com. Make sure you have enough credits. Just click on new SMS verification, search UserCrowd. And here it is, it will only cost 0.5. I have 0.8, which means that's enough. And then copy the number, paste it here. Make sure to input the correct country, the country code, okay? And then let's paste it again and add 1, just like that. Then send verification code. Then after that, head over to TextVerified. Here is our code. Copy, paste it here, then click verify phone number. Now the phone number is verified. We have, you can, okay, to enable any tab that you want. Sorry, the push notification, you have to enable that. But you can see you have to allow the website to send notifications. You can click allow, and then email notification, enable that. And then the last thing is that the time zone, you can use any time zone that you want. And after that, just click on complete. We are already done, and you have done most of the part. The only remaining is you have to complete this practice test so that they can equip you with the right tasks that I shown you on my the other email that I created last month. So you have to do the tasks. They're super easy, don't worry, they're super easy. It's just that you have to name some pictures, yeah, you know. So you can see that the profile strength is 21%. You can adjust, you can see like these other, you fill out these other parts. So which of the following assertive technology do you use, you know, such things. And you can say and screen magnifiers, text to speech, some sort of thing like that. So you just have to submit, like to fill in those fields, and then your profile strength will increase. So once you have any studies, it will appear here. But remember, here's a quick tip. Once they give you once they send you a test, make sure to take at that time, right? And then after that, you can see pending and out of 5. And here you can manage your payouts, where you can connect your PayPal. So no PayPal information, enter your PayPal account, email before you request a payout. So you can do that later on after you have money that you can request a PayPal. So you can go to settings and then set up your PayPal account and get paid. So I hope you find this helpful. I'll do another video on another website to show you how you can create these accounts very easily and get small money. It won't waste your time, but at least you can get some few dollars. And yeah, see you on the next video.